It's a beautiful day in May. The birds are chirping, the squirrels are digging, and we've dressed Milo to look like a flower.
He's beautiful.
It's finally starting to feel like spring. What better setting to pick the winner of our monthly drawing for a $25 Target gift card? The winner will be selected from all Warrenville Library District residents who registered for a library card online during the past month. The Member Services Manager, Jamie, my daughter, will pull the winner using a computer-generated random selection option. Okay, Jamie, do your thing. And the winner is?
It's Mathew J.
Yay, Mathew J.
I'll be contacting our winner directly. Winning a $25 Target gift card is pretty awesome.
Oh, it is.
But what's even better is getting your very own Warrenville Public Library
I've got
card.
one.
It's pretty great. With your Warrenville Public Library card, you gain access to thousands of book and music titles, DVDs, online databases, technology, and countless library amenities.
Cool.
Our library building remains closed until further notice, but we won't let that stop you from accessing our digital resources, including downloadable ebooks and audiobooks. If you reside in the Warrenville Public Library District boundaries, you can register for a temporary library card online. You'll have access to digital books, audiobooks, music, movies, and magazines, as well as online learning and research databases, all from the safety of home.
Yes.
Here's how it works. Follow the link in this video description to apply online for a temporary Warrenville Public Library card. On this beautiful day, it feels like the perfect time for some gardening. It's a little bit chilly though.
It's windy too.
Although you can't check out physical books at the library right now, we have over 1,000 gardening ebooks available for download on Hoopla and Overdrive. And we've got some examples to show you. For a guide for gardening in our state, check out Illinois Getting Started Garden Guide. Ooh. Do you want to grow herbs, vegetables, and produce plants you can eat? Why not check out Groundbreaking Food Gardens? Or Don't Throw It, Grow It.
I love the title.
Are succulents and cacti more your style? We've got some here, a few of our collection. Our Christmas cacti is blooming again, and we have this little petite one here.
We have 50 succulents and cacti in our home. Jamie brought them all into our home. We have so many of them.
And we're open to many more.
No, we're not.
Grow your own beautiful flowers with Cut Flower Garden. Maybe you don't have a green thumb.
Not everybody does.
That's okay. If you're feeling crafty, try handmade houseplants.
What? Paper? This is a great idea. Jamie, paper houseplants. Think of the money you'd save. They don't die. They don't have to be transplanted.
You need a lot of paper.
I'll buy paper for you.
We'll check that out later. We also have lots of books for the kids to get involved with, including the Book of Gardening Projects for Kids. And we have a few other books, Hungry Plants, The Invisible Garden, There's a Pest in the Garden, and The Badger's Perfect Garden. Great for kids that want a story. And here's just a few more titles that we thought sounded great for gardening. Weedless gardening.
I have no weeds, but I've spent hours pulling weeds. Hours pulling them.
Sounds like fun. And gardening your front yard. And finally, one of my favorites, the indestructible houseplant. Find a plant that even you can help survive.
We have lots in our house. Too many.
Congratulations again to our winner, Mathew.
Yay, Mathew!
We hope everyone gets to enjoy some of this beautiful weather and that it sticks around.
Yes.
And maybe start your own gardening project. To all the wonderful moms out there, we'd like to wish you a special Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there.
A special shout out
for
my mom, Carolyn.
It's me.
For her unwavering support and me, my goofy partner. I can always count on you to be there for me, like helping me make videos for the library. Please visit our website, warrenville.com, to access your account and the library's online resources, or to view updates about our building closing.
From our family to yours, we wish everyone a safe and healthy May. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.